How you guys doing? Welcome back. We gonna do some Bird City, Bird City. Bird City, Bird City. New game mode on Berry City. Get some trinkets, some loot. On the first run, almost die. Spoiler. But second run, we do the trials. Electromagnetic storm on spaceport. Probably the easiest way to do these trials. No cap, no bat. We got in there. We did that easy work, cake work. You know, Wolfpack, fucking Rocketeer. You get 2 for 1. You kill a Bastion. Boom. Bingo. Then we run some Stelliante. That's go crazy. You just gotta watch the video. Just watch the video. Thank you. We're gonna loot and kit for sure at Bird City. So probably kit it in Bird City. Okay. Yeah. Or you could do free kit and just get your money up, not your funny up. You know what I'm saying? So like they could do that.
Nah, I'm gonna bring in a Renegade.
I'm bringing in a Kettle and a Pharaoh. But I ain't upgrading it because I ain't really got that much metal. Because I was upgrading so many guns yesterday.
Yo, what the fuck's going on?
Fuck you mean?
Shut the fuck
What the
up.
fuck is going on?
Nah, I don't. I said it 4 times.
We ain't hear you not one time. OEO.
That's
Yeah,
why I moved my mic closer and said it like that.
OEO.
Yeah, watch your mouth.
Who, me?
No,
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah,
Nah, Mike.
OEO. Break it down to him, Max. Break it down.
Said break it down. I mean, knock it back.
Oh shit, my back shots. You can back shots.
Oh,
that's
whoa,
Sam
I was hitting the
He's
robot. I was hitting the robot, but
That new skin is tough.
What, in the shop?
Yeah, low-key fuck with it. Heavy.
Sam Walker skin?
Yeah.
It's alright.
yeah, it's alright. Let me take the goggles off. Let me take the goggles off. Nah, it's
Bro, the second
It's
one.
alright.
The second one on it. The second skin with it. Bro, I look like.
nah, that's on. Nah, the black's tough too. It's like I like
black's
the last.
tough, yeah.
The color.
I don't like the scarf
I
on the
like
black one, but it's not bad. The second one looked like I'm about to go Desert Storm with it. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I'm fucking with yo. Oh my god, Mike. Oh my god.
What?
I'm sending you a picture on Snapchat. Yo, take a look. Tell me you don't fuck with that, John. Fuck it, send it to Evan too in all my streaks.
What is that? Bro, to the hospital key.
What the fuck is that?
Are we not going to Bird City?
I wish I could afford it. I wish I could afford it, bro. I'd buy it right now. I'd buy that drum right now, bro. Oh, gang, if I could afford it, I'd buy it, bro. You
What?
know?
What
You'll
did you
never have
say?
a unique experience. I said you'll never have a unique
No,
He's
experience.
not talking
Mike.
about you. He's not
No,
talking
you
about
didn't
you.
hear what he said, bro. He said
Nah, I
it's
didn't hear what he said.
telephone.
No, hold the fuck up. Hold the
Where are you
fuck
going? Where are you
up. No, I need to get out of here.
at? New game. We're right by. We're actually right by.
This is Shani. Remember, mortars fly very
Alright,
differently.
It's like over here.
You'll need to that's more claustrophobic than usual.
Shit, I
Remember
bet.
to take out the spotters relaying your location.
Fuck that, John.
Yeah, fuck that joint.
One shot.
Yeah, I just one shot that motherfucker. I'm
They hit a
stupid.
building.
Nah, bro, I one shot it. Don't play me like that.
Yeah, he one shot it. Shut the fuck up, Bone.
Alright.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Anyway.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, good boy.
Good boy. Adiado.
Yeah, we're
Bitch, I
getting banned.
graduated, call me gay.
You're
Oh.
gay. You're gay. No, he's not. He's not joking. One shot. Shit.
You missed.
I didn't miss. I just missed the screen. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm not stuck. I'm good. Did you open it?
Yeah, I opened it.
Alright, I'll
Hey, Mike,
stay
you
down.
gonna close the door?
Yeah. I
Fuck
stayed
you.
out.
Second Raider Hatchie.
I have one in my pocket too. Oh, okay.
What'd you find?
I'm just gonna give it to you.
Ooh, an unsearched suitcase.
Don't let him see it.
Ugh.
You want the
Here,
ammo?
Mike, you have this. You take this back. You take this, alright? You take this.
Fuck is that? Alright, I'll take it.
Oh, shit. Wait, more ammo.
People are
Mike, people are
nearby.
gonna come chasing us. People are gonna come chasing us now.
They know that.
What do you have?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
You're gonna find. You'll hear. Oh, live with me.
Yeah,
But
just-
what is that?
what
A
is
Tempest?
that? Yeah, in the gun case. Found that shit. For
Nice.
This is for kids.
Real one.
So I can take. You brought both keys or just the one?
I brought. He brought.
No, I'm saying you. You
Us.
got two residential keys, right?
No, I only brought one. I didn't bring the second one. I didn't know there was 2 resis.
Yeah, there's one
They're in that building.
Watch out. Down there.
I just saw me drop down.
Down there.
There.
Oh, fucking brick.
Down there.
I brick. Oh, I hit the fucking tree. I brick my shots. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. You're gonna get
Nope.
third party.
Yep.
Because he was fighting. He ran away.
Well, they found him.
Not sure if that was them. They throw red glow sticks in there.
Over there.
You see that shit? Coming through the flowers.
But they're pushing up on us, man.
Pushing up on y'all. Oh, y'all are in that.
That's terrible.
building.
Yeah, it sounds like they're
Yeah.
over here.
Are they?
They are. They're on the roof. They're on the roof right here.
There's still people in the room next to it, too. We can get on the roof. There's a ladder right next to this. I'm going up. Oh, shit. Never mind. They're right on the roof.
Up there.
I told you they're right up there.
Knocked one.
Nice.
One on me. Cracked them.
Still one up top.
Danger. Up there.
Oh, he's on me.
Yeah, that dude that I knocked was trying to get on roof. Coming down. I had to go cross next.
Dickhead. Dickhead,
Nice.
Tempest. Dickhead, give me that Tempest. Dickhead.
Oh, he had a Tempest, too?
Yeah, I had a Rattler.
No. He ran right to the right.
Got him.
Oh, he only had a rattler.
Yeah, he had a Rattler too. But crack me with that one.
Ooh, a dental duck.
Probably someone else pushing us too.
Someone else getting shot at?
No, that's a me getting shot.
No,
at
they're
by
grenade
a
throwing at you though.
Now that part is
Yeah, I got a grenade tossed at you. I'm not gonna lie to you.
that's
Yep,
possible.
they're on the roof. Cracked one shield. They're right in front of me. Right in front of me.
I see him.
Daddy.
See me cracking.
Fuck, I'm on the wrong side. I'm on the wrong side. I gotta open this fucking ladder.
He is still there. Oh, that's a perfect shot.
On me.
There
On
you
me.
go.
Boys, I'm in a bad spot. I'm coming around.
He's still up there. He's running. Don't run, pussy. Why are you running? What you running for?
Oh, actually kidding.
Oh, you're in game? You're in game?
I don't give a fuck.
I know, I'm just...
I'm pull up.
Oh, looks like we're down low.
Down. Down.
He's fucking... oh,
Where's he at?
down below. He's down below behind us. Behind this one.
Out here.
I think he's coming in. He ran this time. I'm just going on the roof. Stay there. I'm catching high ground.
I'm gonna go back and loot that dude, to be honest.
Yeah, the dude you killed. I thought you already looted.
No, I stopped because y'all
No,
said.
you're good. I was just shooting at it. You're good. Keep going.
I definitely need that shit. I have no bandages on me.
Here. Never mind, yeah, just go grab that. I knocked a dude on the other roof.
Oh, this dude had a bunch of shit. No? Yeah, bandages.
Yeah, I know. That was, yeah, I was at that little room. That's what his loss.
I'm coming back.
Ow. Boys, they're still over here. Right here. He's on this roof
Where?
right above me. He's climbing up the ladder.
Oh my god.
Going back to the room where we were in.
Go back upstairs.
I'm getting on the roof right, behind, right above us.
Yep. Raider, there. Gotcha, bitch. Cracked him.
Yep.
Keep that shit there, pussy.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at?
Behind us.
Danger. Danger, there.
I want to take a zip line just to fucking catch him off guard. Cover me.
Cover me, cover me, cover me.
Raider, there.
So now I'm behind him.
Knock one.
He's on me.
Fuck that right here.
He's on me. I don't know where, but he's on me.
I gotta heal.
Cracked me.
Hit by a bunch of hearts.
Oh, he's shooting me. I'm getting shot
behind
from behind. I'm getting shot from behind.
Look at that fucking war grenade. Fuck me.
Where's this other guy at?
Oh, that's Mike. He's over in the apartment. I just sniped at him. You're good. He's backed off.
Oh, there's another team pushing us, so.
Are you guys over there?
Oh my god, no. I keep falling.
Did we just hit the raider hatch and get out of here?
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. I think that other team's pushing us and they're gonna fucking destroy us, I feel like, because they have.
Shit.
How do we go down? What are you doing?
I'm getting fucked from alone, so I'll just get out my mouth. I'll fucking finish real quick.
Mike, I
Mike,
can
I
wait for
go.
you.
Mike, I get. Yeah, I have a hatch kill.
Bro, I got fucking 4 arcs on me, bro. I just leave it
Go
out.
shoot,
Leave
go
it
shoot,
out. Leave
go
it out.
shoot, go shoot. No, fuck you. I got a defibs. I got defibs.
Whoever threw that fucking war grenade just got me killed. I think it was them.
Get up, soldier. You're not done yet. Come on. How do we get down here?
I just got shot by a person.
Alright,
Yeah,
come
he's on there.
Hold that shit.
Coming.
on. Let's go.
Pull.
Shit got lethal out here real quick. Holy fuck. Oh, they
Told you they were
fucking
coming,
hatch
bro.
it. You don't go down so fast now.
No, you don't.
So what?
You don't go into the hatch that's quick.
Damn, my hands are sweaty, bro. That was a bad joint, but a good joint. I got a Rattler. Hey, bro, give me a Rattler 4 and a Farah 4, bro.
That was
What the
fun,
fuck?
but I need to upgrade this fucking pedal.
Oh, Mike, you're getting hit. Mike, you're getting hit.
You got that mushroom up there?
Yep.
Put the plants, boys. Put the plants.
What's this bastion at?
That's further down.
No, these are over there.
Yeah. Well, no, it's more on the left side. This is the. Oh.
Oh, Rocketeer.
Do we want to take it out? One of you guys got Wolfpacks? Might as well use it
Mike
on
does.
that.
There's too much shit in there.
We
I
can drag it
grabbed
back.
it.
We can
Yeah,
drag
I
it
get-
back. What else is near us? What else is near us?
Near us, nothing. I can shoot it right now and drag it.
Spotter, the launch pad.
What type of cover? Uh-oh.
Alright, throw it, throw it. Good.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Damn, y'all motherfuckers are scavengers.
Bro, I didn't even get a rocketeer for it. What the fuck are you talking about?
What am I Owen?
Bro, I grabbed an arc circuitry. That's literally all I got.
Hey, take this, guys.
No. Oh,
I
Right in my butt.
arch cells.
Oh, you need arc cells? Alright, I don't have any of them. I just want the thing to stuff on my butt.
He likes having things up his butt. Makes you feel safe.
I ain't asked for all that now.
Alright, Bastion should be up here somewhere.
Over there.
Apricot. Lucky bird.
Alright, bad news, boys. Don't think the Bastion spawned in.
It's actually crazy.
It can still spawn in later, right?
Yeah, it should. As usually it's fine.
Nah, I know. Based off times I've come here, it spawns here about 70% of the time.
Ready with the plans, boys.
Look there.
Me and Owen have 42. We can do that still for sure.
What's up, Mike?
So we have 3,300. We have 52. Oh, the plans, we can beat that. We just gotta find a little bit more.
Yeah.
So come
Boys, boys.
on, dude. Don't count, brother.
It don't count.
I know it's saying it's right in front of us.
Alright, well, we're going back.
Spotters are
Also,
right, so
Mike,
be careful.
your mic is very laggy. That
Oh, what the fuck?
There you go. Alright, that was ass. Let's move.
I don't know where else it is. Well, actually, I do know where else it is from. All the way over here.
Go to that location.
Right. Yeah, right here.
Let's move to that location.
Go back to the other side.
Remember, look for more plants.
Yeah, okay. Coming?
Wasp is another down.
Yep.
Yes, we can stay down there.
Yep.
Look at this agave shit types too.
No, I know.
These pops and shit too.
Bastion?
You know that shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, just said Bastion.
Two bastions.
Two Bastions.
Alright, let me equip the deadline. One's right here. It'll tell you.
Are you ready?
Yep. Move. Yeah, it's on.
Nice. 3 stars on
Tip
both.
was.
Probably for both of them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh shit, watch out.
Perfect. Yeah, bro.
Destroying shit.
I'm taking everything out of everything.
Yeah.
Takes it easy if you guys when you're in this map. Here, maps.
Thank you, kind sir. Thank you, kind sir.
Dude, and the best part is, unless someone's real nearby, they're gonna mistake that explosion for fucking
Lightning.
thunder. Yeah. Alright, do we want to risk getting wasps, or do we want to try to find like 1 or 2 more plants and then get the fuck out?
Well, maybe we should try to find 1 or 2 players regardless and just hit rocks when they land.
Back to back though?
Back, to back, back.
We
Yeah,
actually have
back,
all of them now.
back.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We could have got the rest of
We
them.
could.
Just kept going, but I think we were gonna risk it.
Don't want to risk it. Also, there's only
We've
9
been
minutes
here.
left.
Bro, yeah, I'm about to say we've been here for about 20 minutes.
I repeat, 10 minutes.
Yeah, we just
We've been cooking in here. That's a fantastic run. Fantastic run. How much my kit worth? 100,000. Good job, boys. Good job. Thank you. Alright, what the fuck did I just get from the trials? I skipped past it. So I don't know. Let me go see the blueprints I got. Check this I got.
Bobcat blueprint, bro. You gotta be kidding me.
Bro, I got a hole cracker.
You shot blueprint. A hole cracker or a blueprint?
A hole cracker.
Okay. 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 Yeah, we pushed that team too late. We got there too late. That's what happened that last game too. We got there and they immediately started cracking us.
That's what I was trying to push. And
Well, we
the
just
max on the M7.
no, you were pushing regardless. We just got there too late. That's literally all it was. Whether we were with you or not, those kids had the fucking perfect advantage on us.
Call of those calibrations.
Yeah.
But be careful if you're heading up the towers.
Yeah, you.
Nah, fuck that. No. He's right outside.
No.
Open that shit up. Yeah, that's so spent.
Yep.
Watch out, to your left. Are you friendly?
There's 3 of them.
Hey, don't shoot! Don't shoot! Team up.
What's the team up? What are you talking about? What's going on?
going, teammate?
Work together. Work together.
Don't trust him.
You guys built. Work.
We just spawned in. Watch back. Yeah, we literally just spawned in.
We did too.
Oh, say less. What's up with the solo? What do you got? A trio?
No, duo.
So who's the random?
Oh, we just met that.
Not really sure, man.
He's a solo?
I don't know about that. He doesn't have a wife.
Oh shit. That's wild. Well, we're going up here lobby. Don't trust these motherfuckers, I swear to God.
I'm not. Not for a second.
Shadow. 2 shadows back to back.
Boys.
One of them went down. We're breaching.
Oh no! I deep-hit one of them.
I heard somebody breach one of these doors.
No. One of them went down.
Fuck those kids.
I know.
Yeah, somebody's right here.
Yep. Want me to open it?
Good.
Oh yeah, on steps.
Is he on steps? You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Knocked one?
One behind me, I think. I don't know if he's friendly or not. Yo,
Yeah,
you
he's
friendly,
behind. Yeah, he's
bro?
behind you. No, no.
Oh, let's go to the other side. Get across, get across. Oh, my, fuck, my fault. Yeah, get across. I don't like that. Pinched. Go back around this way. You came with the zipline, I didn't know if he was part of the friendly squad or not. Yeah, bro, there's like 4 teams here. We could be friendly. Eat that shit.
Over there.
I knew that was somebody. I have to say we go around the left right here. Catch this dude off guard. Here we go.
They're below.
Yeah, there's people to the left up top though.
There.
Yeah, right there. $20 make you holla. Hold up. LeBron James.
One right there. Nice.
Right to the left. Yeah. Oh, close. Not the kid. Oh, he's one tap. He's one tap. How the fuck is he not dead? How is he not dead? Defib? He defib.
I know. You pushed him. Good shit.
Another one. GG's. Alright. Yo, I got a defib. Is he down?
I don't know. Are you down? Why did it die? These fucking bodies everywhere.
No. Leave me alone.
Nice.
Ooh, ooh. No one's out there today. That was crazy. I got door blockers.
Okay.
Alright, bring that in somewhere.
We got the people over here.
Oh, no, this side.
Yeah, remember the ones I think?
Oh, that.
Good.
I didn't. Scared me. I was like, real people?
Oh, yeah, no,
Door
done.
blocker.
Yeah, I wonder if he died in here. No.
I don't know, we did down 2 people over here. They must have crawled away.
Down like 4 people. Wonder if they got here too. Where you at?
I'm up top still. Did you buy one? No.
What?
There's
Not yet, no. Wonder if they're outside this door.
I don't know the door blocker.
Wait, what's that?
I'll block it.
Oh, I was gonna look out there.
He's gotta be, I think he might have been the dude that we were friends with that was outside.
That shot us right away?
No, that we were friends with. Like, when we first met them.
Friendly.
Oh, shit! Oh, this is the same dude from earlier.
Yeah, it's us.
You were hiding down here? You could have caught me off guard. Damn, what a good hit. I thought we were dead.
I'm too good of a guy, man. I never do that to you, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that was a good hit.
How's it going, man?
Oh, shit.
Freaking got chased by some shredders and all kinds of stuff. We had to freaking...
Oh, that was right away. Yeah, we got up here and we killed literally everybody who was in here.
Yeah, everyone started shooting at us, so it was a free for all.
Yeah, we killed, what, 3 teams?
You gotta help me. Come get this shit.
At least.
Climb right here. Climb right here. Where I'm jumping.
climb right here.
There you go.
I do it though.
Yeah, man, we're in desperate need for some bandages and literally everything. We got free tools. So. Yeah, I got some.
Oh, I got you.
If not, there's definitely more bandages on the bodies upstairs.
Actually, yeah. Yeah, there's definitely bandages upstairs.
Yeah, there are bandages upstairs though.
Yeah, but I say there's a bunch of bodies
Yeah,
you guys should
upstairs.
just leave. There's a bunch of them.
there's like 8 bodies. Alright, Mike, do you want to get out? I don't know if you, I'm kind of goop.
Yeah, I'm gooped up. I'm really gooped.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, we're out. Good luck.
Have a good one, boys.
Are they getting shot at already? I think they're getting shot at. You're in game. We have a Raider hat, so we can just hit that shit.
Alright. Back down to this one we go.
Yeah, we left the party. What the fuck?
First level 75. Pharaoh? What do I got? A kettle.
Yeah, Pharaoh's perfect. Perfect for holding plotters. Up here is a bunch.
Yep.
I have a sticker.
Have your eyes adjusted to the dark yet, Raider? To the city while most of Toledo is asleep.
We're going arc hunting,
Suppliers say
boys.
that Ark is twice as
Did we just kill
We
this
need
fucking
poppers.
shredder?
Yeah, might as well. But I don't have much ammo for it. Coming, Mike? Yeah, I got it. Let's go, bitch. Nah, stay in that corner. Move, move, move. Move, go back in, go back in. Get him, get him.
Yeah, fuck him up.
I'ma raise the bitch.
Mama
Alright, let's kill the rest of this shit.
Another shredder down there, by the way. Where the fuck are the
Oh.
arcs?
Boys, I say we get in the same spot and we do it again. What do you think?
Beat the fuck out.
Yeah. I'll lower him. Move, Max, yo, run away. No, Mike. Smack him in there, bitch. Oh, shit.
What's up?
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Fuck no, y'all got.
Good, bitch.
Ooh, yeah. You remember blocking that one, buddy?
Fuck!
Oh, my God.
Get down there, man. Get down there, man. Get down there, man.
Get him, Max, get him. Temptation is too great, Mike. I understand. Boys! What the fuck?
Bro, there's no poppers. We need to get poppers, bro. Come on.
Yeah, I have 19 bullets.
I have
I'm
no,
out.
I have no fucking heals now. I have just bandages and that's it.
What the fuck? Did I just climb?
Boys, for the next thing we need, if we have to kill another shredder, I have a blazer we need to do it this time.
Like, this is our best way to go.
We'll get these planes too, fuck it.
Yeah, you can grab them. I'm good. I have like 40 of them right now. I need fucking durable cloth. Might do testing annex a couple times.
Last time I tried to jump someone, bro, I got no bullets. I'm just trying to get a kill,
I'm not
bro.
seeing no cops anywhere.
I don't either.
I think there's someone in that room.
Nah, bro, we good.
That wrong room, I thought it was a locker room.
Playing no good. Get these processors.
Oh, boys, an anvil blueprint.
Oh, nice. If only I needed that. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, Mike, just jump.
Echo Stride in the medical research wing.
Oh, yeah, we can make
So we
it
killed
better.
3, and that's already.
No, it wasn't good.
That was 3 right here. How many have you killed?
We killed one. So that's 4 as well.
Tick.
Oh, yeah, I killed a tic-tac.
Need their tech pods.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
15.
I be forgetting.
Mike, come here. Owen, come here. There's not a lot of bullets, but there's a clip in this bitch.
But
Mauricio. Oh, they in our spot, bro. I don't know about this tick shit. They in our spot, bro.
I'd rather just get out, bro. I got an anvil blueprint on me.
Do you not have an ambush?
Leave, Owen.
Nah, I do right now. I'm gonna need that jump from expedition though.
I have a blueprint ambush.
Huh. You gonna give it to me?
It's not fucking.
Also, I have no heals, so.
No one of us do.
Fuck it, we ball.
You're right on the other side of this, John. Oh, you can leave, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm already here. I can't leave my mans.
Ooh, I got spaceport. I got space tower. Spaceport trench tower key, Mike. What are you thinking?
Thinking I still want my phone.
Like, what do you have, an anvil or something? Not Pharaoh. Nice, what's that breach level at?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Can I open it? Shield definitely on the side.
Somebody all the way in the bottom. Who's gonna shut out all the way in the bottom? Reached.
No.
We can
No.
just fake it real quick.
Fuck it.
I mean, how close are we?
You might-
Oh, we got it. We're already we're fucking maxed out.
Oh,
We're
damn.
out. Oh, we're leaving.
Yeah, we're out.
Hold up. Where do we go? We go right below, right? Yeah, we go all the way down.
It's that or seed wall, and honestly, this is better.
Hold up. Someone's down
Oh, they're
there.
calling it already. Stay back here. Stay back here. Just chill back. Just chill back. Right now, not time to be doing that shit.
I thought Shredder's looking your way, Max. Not looking at you, but it's looking that way. Now it's looking at us. Close that.
Close it.
I forgot I told you to close. You're standing right there. We gotta go that way anyway, so what the fuck are we doing?
I know. We're just trying away from the shredder for a second.
I have a zip line, so we can zip line. Saying don't shoot. Oh! Alright, I'm calling it.
Hold that, John, brother.
Staying up. Oh, yo, I just saw one over here.
Person?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're shooting from above too.
Someone shot at me from up top, Mike.
Yep, I know.
I'm running.
Call that shit, boys.
Come on, get in, get in.
Start calling it. No, I'm down. I'm down. Don't call it. Don't call it.
Crawl,
Call it. Call it. Just call it. Just call it. Just call it.
crawl, crawl.
Call it. Start calling. Start calling. Start calling. You down that fucker? They're fully kitted too. Had the
Fuck 'em.
kid. He threw a trailblazer at you.
I cracked him in his fucking head like 8 times, I told you. I did, how much damage did I do? Yeah, I did 90 damage to him.
Yeah, I did 7 damage to him.
Oh, combat 3 aggressive blueprint.